Hey YouTube, Balisong Addict here, and I'm about to go do an unboxing of a knife. Okay, so just right around here, if you can see through that screen, there's my mailbox, and mailman just came about 5 minutes ago, so we're gonna go do that. These are my dogs. Alright, this is exciting. Now, some of you might be a little bit disappointed with this knife, but we'll see. Alright, there it is. The package of my knife. You can see it's just about Balisong size. Alright, I'm gonna go get the tripod set up so I can film this unboxing, and I'll see you guys there. Alright, so here's my package, and if you guys might have heard, I might have said you might be a little bit disappointed with the knife because I got some comments on my last video, like guessing it was a Blade Runner's Balisong. Guys, Blade Runner's Balisongs, they're not available yet. And another one was a titanium basilisk. I wish I had one of those, but I can't really afford it. And I wasn't really on the list for the basilisk anyway, so just getting that out of the way, it's not either of those. I guess it's a pretty common knife, but it's special to me. I got it for a really nice price, and you'll see what it is. Here's my little Spyderco Ladybug, and I'm going to open this. There we go. Okay. This knife that I got didn't come with the original box from its normal dealer. Jesus. Sorry. So it's just in this little box. Alright. So, let's get on with opening this. I think you might see what the knife is right there. If you didn't see that, then I guess it doesn't really ruin the surprise. See, this is called the newspaper Balisong, and it's made out of newspaper. Just kidding. Alright, it's in a Benchmade sheath. The Benchmade sign's really faded right there, so you can't really read that it says Benchmade. But it does. And there you go. It is a 4X series knife. It's a cool knife. Alright, that's what it looks like. And yeah. It's not one of the fakes. You can see that by the tank cups there. It's not a fake. It's cool. Alright, expect to see this knife in some of my videos. These handles look like the newest production Benchmades, unfortunately, but that's fine. Doesn't really matter. They still flip the same. Alright, there's my unboxing video. Sorry if I disappointed anybody. I'm gonna get to flipping this now. Alright, stay tuned for my Jersey Devil entry, because that's gonna be probably my coolest video yet. Alright, thanks for watching this unboxing. See you guys.